Namaskar students. This is Professor Eshlal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Student, in previous class of complex analysis of complex variable, we have discussed about analytic function and I hope that you are recalling the necessary and sufficient condition for a function to be analytic. My indication is toward the Cauchy-Riemann equation of complex analysis. Today we are going to discuss power series and properties of power series. I request you all that please be patient, keep patient, and try to enjoy this topic. Whenever you write a to the power n, small a to the power n, and if you write like sigma before a to the power n, then you write sigma a to the power n. And then consequently, if you put n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, and so means after removing sigma from this a to the power n, you write it as sigma a to the power n is equal to a to the power 1 plus a to the power 2 plus a to the power 3 plus a to the power 4 plus a to the power 5 plus and so on. In real number system, you are finding here a series that has been generated under a certain mathematical rule. But our target is to discuss power series in the form of complex. For the sake of convenience of your study, I am sharing with you a PDF that explains I hope you are watching here the term power series and the definition of power series is a power series is a series of function sigma fn where f is a function from z to an z to the power n, and we know that z is a complex variable, z is a complex function, So an into z to the power n. And a being, what is an? An being a sequence of complex numbers. Depending on the cases, you can consider either the complex variable z or the real variable x. It is important for you to note that for r is greater than or equal to 0, you will have to note delta r is equal to z belongs to capital C such that modulus of z is less than r, and kr is equal to z belongs to C such that modulus of z is less than r, and cr is equal to z belongs to C such that modulus of z is equal to r. So if someone is asking you that what is the definition of power series, you should give this definition that this is a function. And generally, this is in the form of the product of a real and a complex. And there are some prior defined notations that will be used in the case of power series. Here, you should try to understand the Abel lemma, means corollary that is related to power series. That is also narrating about the same series as sigma an into z to the power n. Be a power series. We suppose that there exists z naught belongs to C such that the sequence an z naught to the power n is bounded. Bounded means there is a restriction of the variable. There is a restriction of the value of the variable, that whether you are going to take the lower and the upper limit or you are going to omit the lower and upper limit. Means in case of closed interval, there was closed interval AB, and in open interval, there was open interval AB. So omission or acceptance of the lower and upper limit must should be taken into the consideration in Abel lemma. So it is why here is written that sigma n z to the power n normally converges on the compact KR. Here is the proof. You should try to note. This is one line proof. This is one line proof. You should try to note this. And definition another is also that how we can define convergent series with the help of power series. Convergent series means a series that is going to give you a finite sum after the calculation of the total number of the sum. Here is a very small theorem, 1.6, that let R be the RCB of a power series sigma A and Z to the power n. Then we have to do this. The student, you should try to understand this. You should try to understand this, and you should try to do the numericals as written in this video. In case of any query, you can ask. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And in case of any query, feel free to put your solution. Feel free to write in the comment box, and I will promise that I will resolve your query if you are putting. Thank you very much. Thanks.